Teachers protest at Manchester schools. Clarendon student hospitalized with memory loss after being hit with stone by a schoolmate. 17-year-old female arrested following death of a man in West Kingston. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Teachers at the Manchester High School on Tuesday morning protested at the entrance to the institution, adding their voices to the disgruntlement among educators over wage negotiations with the government. The placard bearing teachers dressed in black chanted, "What do we want? Livable salaries. When do we want it? Now." More details to come soon. A student at the Lennon High School in Clarendon has been hospitalized with a head injury following an incident Monday. The student was reportedly hit with a stone by a schoolmate outside the compound of the educational institution. Reports are that the two students got into an argument over $100 Jamaican. It is reported that the now injured student hit the other who reportedly used the stone to hit him in the head. He became unconscious and had to be hospitalized. Police, upon questioning the injured student, realized that he did not remember his name nor the incident. As a result, the other student has not been taken into custody as the injured schoolboy is not able to give a statement to the police. A 17-year-old girl is now in police custody following the death of 20-year-old Fitz Fuller, otherwise called Blessed, of Golden Heights, Denham Town, Kingston 14 on Monday, March 6. Reports are that about 10 p.m., the teen was walking along Last Street in Denham Town, Kingston 14, when she was allegedly attacked by Fuller. A confrontation occurred between the two during which they were both injured. The police were summoned and both were taken to hospital where Fuller was pronounced dead and the teen treated and released. An investigation was launched into the matter and the teen arrested. Lawmen continue to probe the incident.